earlier this year, there's a Facebook group that I belong to that is with culinary arts, and a teacher had posted about it, said it was a great grant. So King Arthur Flour is a company that's, I believe it's headquartered in Vermont, and they provide an opportunity for schools where they come alongside. They provide the flour, the yeast, they give the kids a little cookbook pamphlet, and then they ask that we make the product and then share half of the product. We're making whole wheat rolls and we're knotting them. The students are having the opportunity to make the dough on one day, sits in the refrigerator overnight and proofs. The next day they came in and they shaped the dough, so they were rolling them out. And so today we baked them and they sampled them. This afternoon I'll take part of them down to Hope, Southern Indiana.
My goal coming in was I wanted to learn more about cooking because I love baking and I've done that at home, but I wanted to come in and just learn how to make some things from scratch. Cooking is such a fun way to relax, and so is baking. It makes me very calm and a good stress reliever. I think it's just so fun. I just love cooking and baking and learning new things.
It's a great opportunity for them to learn in that way and to feel good about what they're doing in the kitchen. They're not just sharing it with their buddies in the hallway. They're knowing it's going to help some other people.